Owning real estate can be a valuable investment that provides a number of opportunities for growth. Here are a few ways that you can potentially grow your investments through owning real estate. Number one is appreciation. Over time, real estate tends to appreciate in value. This means that the property that you own today can be worth significantly more in the future. And while appreciation rates can vary widely depending on the location and also the market conditions, owning real estate can provide the potential for long-term growth. Number two is rental income. If you purchase a property with the intention of renting it out, you can generate a stream of rental income that can help grow your investments. As you pay down the mortgage on the property, your net income from the rental can then increase, providing additional funds that can be reinvested into the property or into other investment properties. Number three, renovations and improvements. Making strategic improvements to a property can also help you grow your investments. By upgrading the property, you can potentially increase its value and generate a higher return on investment when you sell it or rent it out. Number four would be leverage. One of the unique benefits of real estate is that you can often use leverage to purchase a property. This means that you can use borrowed funds to buy a property, which can help you increase your return on that investment. However, it's important to use leverage responsibly and carefully and consider the risks involved. Overall, owning real estate can be a valuable investment that provides a number of opportunities for growth. However, it's important to carefully consider the risks and the potential returns before making any investment decisions. If you like this video, please comment below with any of your other real estate questions. And for real estate tips, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button on our YouTube channel. See y'all next time.